This object is a game object named Sphere 1 in the Unity game development engine. The active property is set to true, meaning it's currently enabled and functional within the project. The tag for this object isn't tagged, but it can be assigned additional tags for organization purposes. The layer property of the game object is default, which indicates that it interacts with all other objects in the same layer by default unless set otherwise. This game object has 5 components: transform, mesh filter, mesh renderer, sphere ecolitter, and several script components: a 2414 rotator, a 9963 physics bouncer, and a 87144 collider. The transform component allows for positioning, rotation, and scaling the object within the 3D space of Unity. The mesh filter and mesh renderer components define the visual appearance of the object by applying a mesh model and rendering it on screen. The sphere ecolitter component is responsible for defining collision detection and response for this game object. The script components attached to this game object provide additional functionality, minus a 2414 rotator. This script rotates the object at a set speed, 30 degrees per second, around its y-axis, giving it perpetual motion. A 9963 physics bouncer. This script gives the object physical properties such as bounce force, 10.17, energy loss, friction, spin factor. When this object collides with another game object, it will bounce off based on these settings and lose a portion of its speed, energy loss, upon collision. A 87144 collider. This script allows for the color of the object to change over time, using to define colors, grab values. The duration of this fade is set to seconds, but it starts on its initial color by default, and the phase offset can be randomized. Here's a simple C# script that spawns 1000 instances of the Sphere 1 game object randomly within your Unity scene. This script assumes that all necessary components are attached and working correctly on the original game object named Sphere. Using system collections generic. Using Unity engine. Public class spawn objects, mono behavior, public int amount to spawn equals 1000. Void start call routine, spawn routine, enumerator spawn routine, for, in, I equals, I less than amount to spawn, I plus plus, vector 3 random position equals new vector 3, random range, 50f, 50f, 1f, random range, 50f, 50f, quaternion random rotation equals quaternion Euler, random range. 0f, 360f, random range, 0f, 360f, random range, 0f, 360f, instantiate, game object,